Would you like to get and stay lean and eat dessert too? Well, then stay tuned for this video where I share with you my desserts to lose weight, my sugar and grain-free fudgy chocolate muffin recipe. Now, in this recipe, we're going to be using ground flax meal, almond flour, organic cocoa powder, erythritol, which is an alcohol sugar, this is our sweetener, coconut oil and coconut cream. And instead of using baking powder, I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna use some organic espresso powder or coffee powder, some pink Himalayan sea salt, 2 room temperature pastured eggs. It's really important that they're room temperature. We're gonna use Lily's chocolate chips, which are stevia and erythritol sweetened, some chopped walnuts, but you can use any kind of nuts, and we're going to garnish it with Flaky Sea Salt. Now let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to place our oven rack in the lower third of our oven and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we are going to either grease or line our muffin tin. Now grab a bowl and we're going to add our ground flax meal and our almond flour to a bowl. Now we're just going to stir to combine.
A few moments later.
Next, over a double boiler on the stove, we want to add our coconut oil and coconut cream, our erythritol, our salt, coffee powder, and our cocoa powder. Now we just want to stir to combine. We're basically trying to melt the erythritol.
Much later.
Now that we've allowed our chocolate mixture to cool slightly, we're going to add our eggs one at a time and stir to combine. Now we're going to add our baking soda and lemon juice mixture. And lastly, we're gonna fold in our Lily's chocolate chips and our chopped nuts. Now we add our flax and almond flour. Now we want to spoon our mixture into the muffin tins. All right, so now that we've done baking these for 14 minutes, now we're gonna sprinkle them with some flaked sea salt. Now we just want to let them cool off before we eat them. And that's about it. So here we have our delicious fudgy chocolate muffins. Let's give them a taste. Yep. These are delicious. They're fudgy, and the best part is they're bikini body friendly. So if you want to get and stay lean, this is a great dessert option. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. In this video, I shared with you my dessert to lose weight, sugar and grain-free fudgy chocolate muffins. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. I love you guys, and I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here, And also subscribe to my channel here, and if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi, I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.